there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, I have a beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath villa at Edgewater Beach Resort, ready to show you. I love the villas because you've got over 10 pools, you have access to 9-hole executive golf course, and of course, the beautiful Panama City Beach. Let's go check it out. Welcome into this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa at Edgewater Beach Resort. Edgewater is loved by so many. You've got the quiet and quaint atmosphere back here. You don't have any road noise from Front Beach Road. You've got all of the surrounding beauty. I can't wait to show you. But look how expansive this living room is. It flows right into the dining room for all your guests, and of course, a nice, beautiful kitchen. I love how this kitchen has been modernized. The backsplash is beautiful and understated, but elegant. You've got this massive granite surface with all of this countertop space for guests or friends or family to enjoy as you're cooking in here. I love, you've got plenty of space to take care of everybody's needs. Now let's check out the bedrooms. Welcome into the main ensuite. I love this room because you do get those views, the same ones as the living room, which include a pool, privacy. You're not looking into anybody else's backyard. There is a fairway over there you can check out. And of course, there's plenty of space. Throughout this villa, you're gonna find those floors that are perfect for being in a water and sand atmosphere. Nice tile throughout. And that continues into the ensuite, which I love, those fun sliding doors with your dual sinks and your water area as well. So for more information, look in the listing description below. I've got the link there for you to check out all of the finer details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any other beautiful deals like this one.